In the ever-evolving world of electric vehicles, it's fascinating to see how the past and present can collide to create something truly unique. One such example has recently surfaced out of Portland, Maine, where a quirky piece of EV history, a 1976 CitiCar, has been given a new lease on life with the help of modern technology. What makes this project so interesting is not only its preservation of a nearly 50-year-old electric car, but also the fact that it now runs on the same type of power cells you'd find in a Nissan Leaf. At first glance, this small wedge-shaped vehicle looks like it rolled straight out of the 1970s untouched. The 12-inch steel wheels remain original, and the ABS plastic body, remarkably, hasn't yellowed or cracked, despite decades of exposure. The white vinyl upholstery is spotless, the wood-grain dashboard is intact, and the whole cabin looks as if it hasn't aged a day. For many, that alone would be impressive, but this CitiCar's story goes much deeper. Originally built by Sebring Vanguard, the CitiCar was one of the earliest attempts at producing a practical electric city car. It was a bold experiment during the energy crisis era, but its technology was crude by today's standards. Power came from a set of massive lead-acid batteries that tipped the scales at a whopping 460 pounds. Depending on the model, it ran on either a 36-volt or 48-volt system paired with a tiny 2.5 or 3.5 horsepower electric motor. Efficiency was limited, range was modest, and the environmental benefits were questionable due to the lead-acid battery's potential for toxic leakage. Fast forward to today, and the CitiCar has received a clever upgrade. Instead of relying on outdated batteries, the current owner swapped in two 2018 Nissan Leaf lithium-ion cells. This dramatically reduces weight while providing cleaner, more reliable energy storage. While it's hard to quantify exact performance gains without rigorous testing, the formula is simple. Lighter weight plus modern batteries equals better usability. The swap represents a brilliant bridge between first-generation EV experimentation and today's advanced electric drivetrains. Of course, the car isn't flawless. The Craigslist posting notes minor issues such as leaks in the differential and braking system, which isn't surprising for a machine that has been around for nearly half a century. Still, the CitiCar remains fully functional and drivable, a rare achievement given how few of these cars survived in any usable condition. What truly sets this car apart is how it blends nostalgia with innovation. On one hand, it remains a faithful time capsule of 1970s EV design, showcasing its quirky wedge profile and minimalist interior. On the other, it embraces the future by adopting technology from one of the world's most successful modern electric vehicles, the Nissan Leaf. It's not quite a Restomod in the traditional sense, but it carries the same spirit, honoring the original design while subtly enhancing it with contemporary upgrades. Perhaps the most surprising part of this story is the price. For just $5,500, this unique slice of EV history could be parked in someone's garage. That's less than many used gas cars on the market today, yet it offers the bragging rights of owning both a classic and a modernized electric vehicle at once. Whether it ends up as a collector's gem, a conversation starter at car shows, or a quirky neighborhood runabout, this CitiCar proves that innovation doesn't always mean building something new. Sometimes it means breathing new life into something old.